Good day, guys. Good day to you all. Welcome back to the Formula Sports channel. Thanks for being here. Welcome back to the channel. As always, the support is much appreciated. We're getting into this one, We're getting into this one quickly, not a long video. Today is a big day, ladies and gentlemen, for many of the top leagues in Europe. The transfer window closes today. Seeing quite a few reggae boys are in the mix for big deadline day transfers. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, one of them is on your screen right now, ladies and gentlemen. Demarai Gray, a big, huge, very credible platform out of France, ladies and gentlemen, is reporting that a huge football club in France, LOSC, that big club in France, Lille, L'Equipe is reporting. I'm not so sure if I got the pronunciation right, but you guys might have seen this platform already, right? Big platform, right? Big publication. They are reporting that Lille is interested in a loan move for Demarai Gray. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, that is what they're reporting. They're actually reporting that Lille has already placed that offer, made that offer to Everton Football Club. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the last few days there have been quite a few rumors surrounding the player on your screen, Demarai Gray. Last heard negotiations with Al Shabaab out of Saudi Arabia stalled, ladies and gentlemen, after the change in board. Remember, I told you guys that the deal with Demarai Gray and that Saudi club was this close to being done. And it was reported, however, that that club had a major shake-up at the top, and a number of the people working on that deal, were, basically left the club and new people came in, and because of that, the deal stalled, after it came very, very close to being completed. Everton had agreed a transfer sale with the club. It was just, personal details left to be worked out with Demarai Gray. So that is the last update on that particular transfer. However, the latest on Demarai Gray. Let me read you guys what L'Equipe has to say. This would be one of the surprises of the last day of the transfer window. Demarai Gray could be loaned by Everton to Lille in the coming hours. The LOSC has sent an offer of loan payment to the English club and hopes to be able to finalize the file quickly. So that is what L'Equipe has to say on this particular transfer. Other credible platforms are also reporting that Everton, in order to get this deal done, Everton wants an option to buy, option/obligation to buy, an option or an obligation to buy in this particular loan move, ladies and gentlemen. So that is a big condition that Everton wants to be in this particular loan move to Lille, an option or obligation to buy, ladies and gentlemen. So, you guys know what that entails already. So hopefully that is not a reason why we see this particular deal fall through. Demarai Gray needs a transfer move. He's clearly not in Sean Dyche's plans, shockingly, and he needs a loan move. I don't want to see the reggae boy, stuck for half an entire season, not really seeing, game time, not really getting game time. He has not even, last heard, he has not even trained with the Everton first team this season so far, much less made a match day squad, much less seen the pitch, right? So I want you guys to hit me up in the comment section. Let me know if this is a good move or a bad move, and let us see, if this particular transfer works out. Lille is the 2020-2021 French Ligue 1 champions. Remember, a few seasons ago, they won the French Ligue 1, right? It's a huge club. And they shockingly beat Paris Saint-Germain to that Ligue 1 title. Surprisingly, if you guys remember that last season, they finished 5th out of 20 teams in the French Ligue 1, and they are in the UEFA Europa Conference League this season. So it's a big club, ladies and gentlemen. Hopefully that move can be worked out. All right, quickly on Jamal Lowe, the player on your screen, Jamal Lowe. The latest on Jamal Lowe is that a number of clubs are lining up to make a move for this player today. A number of clubs are heavily linked to him and heavily interested in garnering his signature on loan. The likes of Sheffield Wednesday, Hibernian, Norwich City, and West Brom. So 3 championship clubs and 1 Scottish Premiership club. Credible platforms, credible publications are reporting that those clubs are heavily interested, heavily linked, and actively pursuing a move for Jamal Lowe. So it looks as if he's going to be making a move today as well. Hopefully that can work out. Another reggae boy that we don't want to see on the bench for half a season, because he damn sure ain't getting a lot of game time at Bournemouth this season. So hopefully we can see Jamal Lowe make that move. Hopefully we can see Demarai Gray make that move. Hit me up in the comment section. Let me know what you think about these players and the transfer news surrounding these players at this time. Take care, ladies and gentlemen. Stay safe, and until next time.